All right, what's up guys? Uppbeat Fishing here. If you've been enjoying the content so far, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And yes, we are out here side of the road. You can see my truck is parked down here. And today we're gonna be fishing in an area like this right here. I know it's a little different for the channel. Look, you already got something swirling right there. It was something a little different, but hey, we got to keep it interesting, keep doing different things. So I also got a treat, guys. So stay tuned. I'll get back with you shortly. All right, guys, we got to get down here to the little area. Of course, as always, just be on the lookout for snakes. I don't know if you guys see all this here, but I know you can. And this area looks really nice. Also got a little treat. Stopped off and I picked something up. Got movement in the water. It's just something to have a little fun with, y'all. But guys, this is it right here. A loose brim stick. Just picked it up. Really like this guy, light action. It's a 10-foot 3-piece. Got to get it rigged up. Get some line put on this guy. See what it looks like. All right, let's fling it out there. Man, real flimsy. I was skeptical about that, but I think for a little area like this right here, that's really not a big deal. I don't think it's nothing too big in here. Then again, you never know. So, let me get this guy rigged up. Let's see here. I got some, I thought this was 12, but 14-pound fluorocarbon. A basic Palomar knot. And the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna send my line back through it. Berkeley Vanish. Just like that. As always, lubricated. What the world was that? Something fell out of the tree. Taking center down. And there you have it, folks. It's tied on. Tape and pliers. There it is. Cut my tag in off. And there you have it. It's ready to rock and roll. Let me run this, get it rigged up, and I'll be back with you. All right, guys, this is pretty much the setup right here. Got a little bobber stop. Got a sliding bobber, a little split shot, and I've got a little 4-aught brim hook. Nice little setup, I'll say. Can you guess what we're fishing with today? That's the question. Got a little brim hook, long little shank on it. All right, this is what we're fishing with today, guys. Crickets. Fresh from the tackle store. Let's see, hopefully these hooks aren't too big. Seem like they're... Seem like they're off up over here, maybe? Let's see. There we go. Another little bite, y'all. Oh. Let's see if we catches one on the new brim rod from Lew's. This is weird fishing for me. Broomstick by Lew's. Very weird fishing for me here. I'm not used to fishing like this. Oh, something's at it, something's at it, something's at it. Got one, y'all. Look at here. We caught one. Looks like a little, I don't know my fish species. I really don't know my fish species, y'all. what this is. To me, they all are sunfish. Nice little one on the brim rod. Brim stick. The brim stick. See, can we get us another one? What I'm doing is I'm taking it and hooking it straight through the cricket. Right down the middle. Like normal. Taking and pitch it out there. This would be a little different from bass fishing. Let me see, can I find some bigger ones? I'm getting another little bite. Whoa, what was that? That seemed to be pretty big there, whatever that was. Got another one, y'all. We got us another one. This one's a little bigger. This one here's a little bigger. Not much bigger. Hey, if anyone knows the name of these brim, please leave them in the comment section. Strong little guy too. So I don't know what kind of brim these are. They got beautiful markings on them. Man, look at the patterns on these guys. All right, let's get them back. Well, you want that. Got another one. All right, guys, like ain't nothing but small ones in this little hole here. So can we find some thicker ones? I still don't know. Are these bluegill? Oh. Feisty little things, I tell you that. Very feisty. All right, y'all, we're gonna keep moving. I saw something big move, or something big jump over here in this little hole. I wanna go up on the bridge and over to that little area. I'm gonna have to watch our step, stay vigilant. Last thing you wanna do is walk upon a snake. Can't stand, look at that big old frog. Just my luck, a snake will be following that frog. All right. The only way we gonna get there is, look, somebody has recently been down here. Like someone recently been down here. Oh God, was that a frog? I don't know what that was. It was big. All right. Yeah. This must be the spot. See a lot of evidence. People being down here. So yeah, let's get in this nice little spot. Going on there this time. If you want it, you're gonna have to work for it, buddy. You have to work for it, buddy, if you want it. Little. I want a decent size one to grab it. Ooh. Okay, we got another one. See how big it is? Little. But hey. Hey, like I said, the colors on them though are gorgeous. Look at this one. A little tiger stripe kind of look like. Like I say, I don't know what you would call these. To me, I call them all brim. So you got like a little tiger stripe. I'm like, is this a bluegill or what? Gorgeous pattern though, with the little stripes there. I like that. Put them back. So can we get one more? I would like to catch one with a little size to him. I'm about to fall over on these rocks. Let's see. Can we get one with a little size to him? Oh God, he was hungry. God, he came and snatched it. That guy was hungry. Man, this fish kind of cool too. That's what I like about this running water. You know, this place like this always replenish themselves. And they hitting like that. I'm gonna go back out. There's gotta be a big one out there. They hitting like that, the way they're so aggressive. There's gotta be a lot of them out there, so it's probably a bigger one. So can I get a bigger one? Look at that, look at that. Got another one. Yeah, it's a lot of them out there, y'all. It's a lot of them out there. Barely had this guy hooked. Back to that same little pattern, like a little purple kind of, little purple color by the tail here. I don't know what fin you call that one. But man, this is a nice looking fish. It really is. All right. She back in the water. All right. We'll go back to this here in a second. Put it up for now. All right, y'all. This is what I put in here. Not much. What you guys think could catch a fish out here? This one here looks really juicy, although it's kind of big. I think it's big for this little area, but it's worth a shot. Love the way this look. Like a look. I'm so trout. I love the, oh, something came up and hit that guy. You can never go wrong with black. So I'm gonna try this black one. As you can see, like I said, this is my wacky rig set up on my Lew's Mock Crush. My wacky rig set up. We'll get this cut off. Get this little black guy tied on here. The thing I don't like about these little things, these little Walmart rooster tails, they only like $1. The hooks are terrible. And the hooks are terrible. And I rarely talk bad about a lure, but the hooks are terrible with these. I'm gonna fall in here in a second if I don't watch my footing. There he has it. All right. Got one. Oh, got one, y'all. On a rooster tail. What is it? A pickerel. Call it a little pickerel, yeah? On a rooster tail. A little chain pickerel. All right, guy. Be still. Be still, guy. Have you loose shortly. A little pickerel on a rooster tail. That's what I'm talking about. Nice little pickerel. Check him out. These guys will bite the heck out of you. I had one bit me once before. A little old baby pickerel now. Ain't big as nothing. All right, going back. All right, let's see what else we can get out of here. Ooh, got another, got something. Another pickerel, y'all. Check this out. Another pickerel. This one here is a little bigger though. Oh, what the world, they stacked up over there? All right, guys, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Ooh, almost choked this one. A little pickerel. So slimy. Come on here, guy. All right, if you stop now, look, you're hurting yourself. That's what you're doing. You're hurting yourself. Look how you're doing yourself. Look at this here. Look how you done yourself. You're hurting yourself, guy. I'm just trying to get you unhooked. That's it. You're so slimy. Okay, there we go. All right, y'all. A little pickerel. This one here's a little bigger than the last one. Man, nice little chain pickerel. All right, let's Can we get us another? Look like they're back there, up in that little. They back up in that little cut over there. That's how it looks. Was it just those two? I'd love to catch something a little different. Possibly up. So they're up on there. I'm out slipping. Let's just see. A little nibble, nice little nibble. Ooh, this one here's a little bigger too. Well, no, not the same size as the others. This little brim stick, he feels big though. All right. Well, he's a little bigger. Maybe. A little bigger fish. Whoa. Got him. Got him, y'all. Got one. Another pickerel. So all this in this water. Pickerel. Ooh. Came off. Another pickerel. He's so slimy. Chain pickerel. Going back. I like these beetles. These decent little cans right there now. Ooh, got another one, y'all. This one here is bigger. What's a gar? Oh, I got a gar. Got a gar, y'all. How about that? Oh, that was a good little cast right there. Caught a gar. Oh, he came off. Oh, I caught a gar. I wish I could have got the colors on that guy. And then I'm heading home. All right, y'all, it's windy as heck out here. We've made it to the other side. It looks even better on this side, doesn't it? Looks even juicier. All up under the bridge over there. It's even better over here. Okay, so far, I'm still using the crickets here. I took and I put this color rooster tail on, and you seen where I lost the gar. I hung up pickerel. Let's see what else we can get in here and get. He's running with it. I got him. Oh, this one here's a little thicker, a little wider. He ran with it. And these fish are so cold. I swear. Let you, oh buddy, you can keep the cricket. Let you keep the cricket. Open your mouth up, buddy. You can keep the cricket. You work for him. Beautiful fish. All right, let's throw him back. God damn. Look at this here. People really been going through baits. Lures. God damn. Why don't people leave their mess? Rooster tails. Look at this here. This looks fresh. God damn. People be losing their stuff down here. There's a bunch of worms down here. That's insane. I don't know where this water comes in. Ooh, man, I seen one coming. He took it and ran with it just then. I saw it. He took it and ran with it. Oh. Alright, y'all, I'm in the video here. As always, if you like what you see, hit a like button, leave me a comment, let me know where you're from, things you like to see on the channel. Always subscribe, and until next time, catch you guys later. Peace. I'm gonna get this trash up too. That doesn't make any sense for someone to leave their trash all that scattered about. All right, guys. See you next time.